Yeah. Same thirst. I stare in the mirror, see the threat in my frame. Ego talking reckless, trying to crown me the name. But alone at the top ain't a victory lap. A throne built on backs just to go play the trap. They say me first, I say who comes after you? A world full of loners crying nobody knew. They want holy justice, no change in the stance. They want all the light without burning their hands. They preach truth but can't stomach critique, trying to fix the globe while their habits leak. If my brother falls and I look the other way, the silence is guilt, yeah, injustice at play. But Al Sadiq, peace be upon him, spoke clean. Faith shows daily in the love in between. Cut ties over pride, it's a cowardly move. Don't claim ancestral status, you got nothing to prove. They want strong states with hollow hearts inside. Soulless lost flags just to cover the lies. I want a living state, not ink on a page. One that breathes through a man who don't fear the rage. The high vein beast trying to shine solo. It's collective discipline, not ego promo. If one goes astray, we pull him back center. We correct with love, not the flex or the inner. They told me guard your plate, I split my bread. They said think of you, I thought of who bled. They call that weakness, I call it belief. Altruism the blade, ego can't cheat. They told me guard your plate, I split my bread. They said think of you, I thought of who bled. They call that weakness, I call it belief. Altruism the blade, ego can't cheat. The patriot pitch smells like powder and pain. Imaginary borders justify change. My homeland got no map, no capital throne. It starts when my brother comes first in my zone. They worship God in private, ego in public light. Pray all night, betrayed by the morning light. If faith disappears when it costs you a dime, that ain't belief, just a slogan in time. Everybody wants justice, nobody pays tolls. They want peace without scars, quick wins for the soul. Justice starts when I lose some gain, when I pick equity, even if it cuts my lane. They scream every man and cry about splits, build walls, then wonder why unity quits. If my brother's hungry and I'm eating serene, my stomach ain't full, my conscience ain't clean. Divine state ain't a dream for the end of days. It's a duty right now, and the choices we make, it lives when I listen instead of suppress. When I help over preach, when I choose to be less. They wanna flip the world with captions and quotes, but dodge small actions that threaten their boats. Revolution don't start in a mic or a march. It starts when I'm fair in the dark of my heart. Unity scares them cause privilege dies. It exposes fake leaders and polished alibis. Being one ain't vanishing, playing small roles. It's growing past self without selling your soul. I don't rap to shine, I rap to self-audit. Every bar's a mirror, not stones for a target. If it hits like a slap, maybe it ain't attack. Maybe truth just knocked, asking you to clap back and change that track. They told me guard your plate, I split my bread. They said think of you, I thought of who bled. They call that weakness, I call it belief. Altruism the blade, ego can't sheath. They told me guard your plate, I split my bread. They said think of you, I thought of who bled. They call that weakness, I call it belief. Altruism the blade, ego can't sheath. Change that track.